Hey brilliant English learners, I'm Kate and welcome back to Cattaleya English. Today we are diving into the world of English prepositions, specifically when we talk about how things are made. See this pen? It's made of something. But is it made from something or with something? This little word made can be really tricky because we have three common ways to finish the sentence: made of, made from, and made with. Don't worry, by the end of the video you will understand the differences, use them correctly, and even test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Let's get started. Let's start with made of. This is used when the material is still clearly visible or recognizable in the final product. It's like looking at the object and saying, "Oh yes, that's wood." The material doesn't change its fundamental form. For example, my new table is made of solid wood. You can see it's wood. The wood is still wood. The window is made of glass. It's clearly glass. The glass hasn't transformed into something else. The statue was made of bronze. The statue looks like bronze, and the bronze itself is the material. Now for made from. This is used when the original material changes so much that it's difficult or impossible to recognize it in the final product. Think of cheese. You can't see the milk in cheese anymore, right? The milk has transformed. Like in, cheese is made from milk. Milk changes its state and composition to become cheese. You can't easily see the milk in the cheese. Paper is made from trees. The wood from the tree is processed and chemically changed to create paper. This delicious wine is made from grapes. The grapes ferment and are processed. The original grape form is gone. Finally, let's look at made with. This is used when you are talking about the ingredients or the tools used to make something, especially in cooking or baking. It highlights what was added to create an item or a dish. For instance, the pesto sauce is made with fresh basil, pine nuts, garlic and olive oil. These are the key ingredients blended together to form the sauce. The strong bridge was made with steel beams and concrete. These are the structural materials used in its engineering and construction. The intricate mosaic artwork was made with small pieces of colored tile. These are the individual elements used to build the larger image. Alright, time to test your knowledge. I will give you a sentence with a blank and you decide if it should be of, from, or with. 1. This beautiful scarf is made A. of, B. from, C. with silk. 2. Yogurt is made A. of, B. from, C. with milk. 3. The chair is made A. of, B. from, C. with plastic. 4. This delicious bread is made A. of, B. from, C. with flour, water and yeast. 5. The traditional Japanese paper washi is made A. of, B. from, C. with the bark of the mulberry tree. How did you do? Let's check. 1. A. 2. B. 3. A. 4. C. 5. B. Great job! Remember, of material is visible, from material is transformed, with ingredients or tools. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more clear English explanations and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments which one you found the trickiest. Thanks for learning with me today, and I will see you in the next video.